time of this parliament wasted by allegations which cannot be supported. I don't. Do you, member, have the evidence?
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Sarachan don't tell me parliament day. How long I receive a call? How lady you about to go puso? Oka bua ha ga lady you have is bam but hoko pa le na ba nela lo kwa. Oka itatola.
Order.
Evidence ke na Sarachan.
He has just said he denies it. That's why we put you to the proof. You are a lawyer, please. It's simple logic. You are being put to the proof. Do you have the proof? If you don't, just sit down and keep quiet and withdraw. Is that the game we're like? One takes the guy. How someone should be? Keep quiet. Officer Asado has denied. Now it's for you to prove that this is the evidence. Do you have it?
Mr. Speaker, I get evidence ki motho na bua no ga e tshola ga gompe go mme ga ba tlo ka bitso a tla go su